On how to use Apple Notes on my MacBook Air. I've launched the Notes application, and you can see I have a list of folders that look like folders and little gears that are called smart folders. Down here at the bottom, I have the infamous looking icon for trash. Things will stay there for a certain number of days. I believe it's 30. An important option to notice are called tags. In alphabetical order, I can quickly filter out the, 152 notes. I can quickly go to a folder if I want, look at 20 notes there, or look at 2 notes there that are movies. I made them as titled movies. I want to learn about Apple artificial intelligence, or I can quickly come down here and maybe learn about those keyboard shortcuts I identified in the message in TeamReach just the other day. Alphabetical, you can see I have a list of keyboard shortcuts, and this right now is a recording. And what you're seeing here is the screen capture note I created a while ago, back on April. And in a screen recording, you have various combination of keys you have to hold down. And because I'm recording my voice, there's an option I can use to record my voice. What I'd like to do now is have you join me and make a recording that you can maybe send to someone else. That's the recording for now.